If you have an option between a regular coffee and Americano, always choose Americano.
Yeah, well, I wish I had chosen Tim Hortons.
Before we even left, you already didn't have toothpaste, medication. What else did you see? You accidentally brought boots. You did bring something that you don't need, a huge pair of boots that will go everywhere with us now. Charging blocks, a watch charger, or something to you brought the watch charger, but not something to plug it into.
Whatever. Of course, you come with one entire suitcase fully packed with appliances. So Megan and I were off to Dallas and excited about this adventure to a market that we had never seen before. Of course, we landed safely and got unpacked and immediately went over to the market center. We were immediately overwhelmed, not to mention exhausted, but I knew that the first place that I wanted to see was the Monahan Papers showroom. What has Megan found? Yeah, well, we're in Stephanie's booth, and this is like a dream come true. And yeah, we're here tonight just doing a little shopping. Stephanie has a drool-worthy collection and an incredible eye for antique French ephemera and antique bits and bobs. So I was able to scour her showroom and box up a whole bunch of vintage and antique stuff to bring home that could be used for journaling and mixed media. I am so excited to get that shipment in the mail and can't wait to share it with you.
Because I felt like last year,
all we've been doing here is work. From morning till night, we are either at the hotel or at market, and it has been intense, I would say. Yeah, intense. Well, we ate at a restaurant that we really love twice because it's right across the street from the hotel. So what was our plan for this market? How do we approach our day? We spent the first 2 days actually just figuring out the layout and scouring some of our favorite vendors and decided, no, we were not buying anything until our last day. We took pictures of the items that we really liked in different showrooms and then collected them all into an album on my cell phone. We needed to stay focused on what was good for L&J Goods and stay away from all of the other temptations. And truly, there were a lot of temptations. I did shop for everyday items for the shop and also looked for a lot of inspiration. But honestly, what we come here for is Christmas. What is Christmas going to be for 2024? We were inspired by so many things that, again, it was just all about narrowing a focus, really concentrating on what our aesthetic is for L&J Goods. That's hard to do, especially for somebody like me, because I want all the things. I want all the pretty things.
Out of sight. A lonely wind is passing by. Tries to carry all the whispers that it finds. The walls are listening when we talk.
It's our last day, and we just found out our flight was canceled. So it's one more day of shopping. We gotta get out of here before an ice storm comes. Yesterday we were walking around, beautiful weather. Today, the windows are frozen over.
Mom wants me to sing my new song that I wrote, but I'm still workshopping it. How do you track an oscillating wind band? How do you fly with wind and blowing snow? How do you
Hold a wind band in your hand?
But we're saying wind band too much, so I've got to work on some other verses. I'll get it by today. I just need like some more words associated with it. I don't know enough about them.
I feel like we're John Lennon and Paul McCartney right now.
I'm John Lennon and Paul McCartney. I'm Paul Lennon. Current of air, a draft, a blow, a puff.
Are you doing a phone a friend?
I'm phoning a friend.
Okay. Who is our family member?
My brother.
Yeah.
Hello?
Hi, can you help me with something?
Sure.
Just writing a song.
Hi, Ben.
Mom's here.
Oh, hi, Mom.
Good morning.
Here, it starts like this. How do you track an oscillating wind band? How do you fly with all this blowing snow? But I just want your help writing a song. Usually you'll drop everything to help me with this kind of thing. If you could come up with some good weather words. But then the last part, how do you track an oscillating wind band? How do you fly in wind and blow?
It's really blowing out there. It's still no snow.
Yeah, that's what David
Nor
said.
precipitation. It's like right around us. You can literally see the clouds.
Here's the text I read that inspired me. Heavy lake effect snow and very strong winds expected. Blizzard conditions will be possible at times, especially tonight and Sunday.
Can I sound like JR for a moment? The problem is the temperature drop.
And the oscillation, that's what got me going.
And the winds.
Now let me move on to the second paragraph. The band of heavy lake effect snow is expected to oscillate north and south several times through the course of the event, resulting in varying conditions over time. That's where it gets you.
Yeah.
How do you prepare for varying conditions?
We didn't get touched by the last one. We will get hit by this one.
We made it to the airport. We're headed to Baltimore. We have to stay overnight there and then fly to Albany tomorrow. JR's gonna pick us up in Albany, so we're literally doing a planes, and automobiles. I made it home, then made a quick trip with Katie, Oscar, and Sophia to Florida for a few days, and then headed back to Buffalo. Freddie. Hi, Fred. Good morning. I missed you. I am so happy to be home. I slept in my own bed last night for the first time in many days. And here's what I came home to. It's really beautiful. I love winter here when the lake starts to freeze. He is so routine oriented, isn't he? Mm-hmm. Would you say that you are routine oriented?
Semi.
Semi?
Semi.
I don't think you like it if somebody throws you for a loop.
You'd have to bring that up now, wouldn't you?
I would, yeah.
Well, what I would say to that is to everything in the little. You notice how I bought those little baggies? So I could bag up every little thing. Putting screws in.
Oh.
Handles. I have them in. I use them for putting all the knobs and old knobs together. I haven't done them all.
No, you're just
Disciplined?
I don't know if I'd call you disciplined. Good grief.
All over the place, honey.
No, that's me. But speaking of organized, you know what I'd love to see? That Flint, Michigan piece brought over. How can we make that happen?
Not today.
Boo.
Never.
So Tuesday.
Possibly.
Oh, nice.
Possibly. 15% chance.
Now you sound like a weatherman.
Well, it's all anybody's been talking about around here.
Dance. You so cute.
Excuses were due for a penny, but they've all gone out the window.
So I'm headed into work and my thoughts are all over the place. It's been really good to be away, but I always look forward to getting back to L&J Goods. We've come back full of inspiration. We have a lot of great ideas and looking forward to a clean slate for 2024. Thanks for hanging out with us here at L&J Goods, and we will continue to share our updates as far as the store renovation. Okay, we are in the process of starting to move our DIY area forward in the shop. This is going to hold all of our Fusion Mineral Paint. While you're here with us, we would love it if you would go ahead and hit that subscribe button and be sure to leave us a comment, give us a thumbs up, let us know what you'd like to see next on our project list at L&J Goods. You can find us at lnjgoods.com or shoot us a text so that we can keep in touch with all the latest updates.